here at the Crowne Plaza Los Angeles Harbor Hotel in San Pedro, a couple minutes away from the cruise terminal. Let's take a look at a Harbor View King Room. Of course, with the door, you've got the usual safety information. People, box department. Very well, at least one of them works. Next to the door, you have a light switch that will turn on the light inside the room, which is right up here. So this is a sort of suite. We have a living room sitting area with a table, couch, and chair. Across from the sitting area, you have a coffee maker, and of course ice bucket cups, and with the coffee maker, assorted coffees and teas, usual. Over here we have the bathroom. Next to the bathroom door before we go in, I'm gonna close that here for a second. We have a closet with ironing board, luggage rack if you need it, plenty of hangers, and some shelving above. That's also where the iron is hiding. On the bathroom door, you got your towel hook. Bathroom light switch is outside, so flip that on. Take a little step up, got the throne. Got a decent sized bathtub. Shower amenities. We'll spin back around. You got some towels, and you got your mirror. Hello. Plenty of counter space, sink. You got some tissues. Towels below. You have a nice light around the mirror. And if you need it, you got a makeup mirror as well that does actually move. So you can pull on that bar and it does rotate out in it, of course, if needed. As we head over straight ahead, you got your thermostat. Some artwork up on the wall. And we'll come around the wall here. Got a couple light switches. And then we got TV. Below TV, we've got the remote, so very important. But below that counter, you have a safe, a few drawers, and cubbies for storage, and also a cabinet with a mini fridge behind it. Next to the TV, you have your work desk with a lamp. Click the switch once, it'll turn on one lamp. You click it again, it turns both of them on. You also have a microwave. Now this is a harbor view room, so this is the view you get out of this room. Over here we've got your first nightstand, another lamp, and a clock. This is a king room, so here's your king size bed. Other side of the bed, you have your other nightstand with another lamp and the phone. Both nightstands do have drawers in them as well, and cubby space below. This has been a look at a king-size harbor view room at the Crowne Plaza Harbor View Hotel in San Pedro. Great option going out on a cruise. It is just minutes away from the cruise port. As always, if you like the content, be sure to rate, hit that like button, comment, and of course, subscribe and ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.